Welcome to MooMooMath and Science. In this video, let's go over how to simplify square root 1568 or 1568. Okay, let's first find all the prime numbers that multiply together to equal it, and I like to use a factor tree. I'm just going to divide by 2 because it ends in an even number, and I just find it a little bit easier. 2 goes into 1568. Let's go 784. I'm going to circle the 2 because it's prime. And again, we have an even number, so I'm just going to go 2 again. 2 goes into 784, 392. I just find it's easy to divide by 2. Now, again, let's just try 2 again. So we've got 2 goes into 392, 196. So I'm going to continue this. Now 2 goes into 98, 196, 98. And then now with 98, I'm going to go 2 one more time. 2 times 49 is 98. And then 7 times 7 is 49. So we're down to all prime numbers. So now what we're going to do is we're going to you don't necessarily have to do this, but I like to just write it under the square root sign because we're working with the square root. And so let's go ahead and make sure we don't miss anything. So there's a 2 and a 2 and a 2, 2, 2, 2 more 2s, and then 2, 7. So now since it's a square root, technically you have a 2 right there. We can pull out pairs. So there's a pair of 2s. There's a pair of 2s. And we have a pair of 7s, and then we have this 2 right here left under the square root sign. So now we just multiply these together. So we have 2 times 2 is 4, and then 4 times 7 is 28. So we have 28 square root 2 is 1568 simplified. I hope that was helpful.